खन 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 बचा है रण, आंखों में सबकी ज्वाला है, माहौल बदलने वाला है। आंखों में तीर कमान, योद्धा का इज़हार, आओ बनाए आर्चरी को महान।
Yeah, absolutely. We're seeing for the first time the compound archers teaming up with recurve archers. So seeing them on the same shooting line at the same time. 2 per bow style, 2 per gender. Great bit of parity. Minimum of 1 overseas player on each team at all times, but they can have both of their overseas players on. The timing, as I said, is a big thing. 120 seconds to shoot 8 arrows. That means an average arrow time of 15 seconds. And that has already caused a problem with one team on the first night losing out on their 8th arrow because time ran out on them.
Now take a look at that points table as well, because all the 6 teams have played 1 match each. So we've got points table. We can see Mighty Marathas right at the top. Then you've got Rajputana Royals, both with 2 points each. Actually, they've won both the all the 3 sets, straight sets. Then you've got Chola Chiefs, and then you see the bottom half of the table, the 3 teams which didn't win at all. Let's take a look at the matchups for today. In the first match, we will see Chola Chiefs up against Prithviraj Yodhas. Chola Chiefs won their first match. Prithviraj Yodhas are looking for their first win. Then we've got Chero Archers and Kakatiya Knights. Both the teams lost their match yesterday. And then in the final match of the day, Mighty Marathas and Rajputana Royals, table toppers as of now, but the table will keep changing. But let's focus on the first match of the day, where we'll see Chola Chiefs up against Prithviraj Yodhas.
नमस्कार, शुभ संध्या और स्वागत सभी का। आज दूसरा दिन है आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग 2025 का और पहला मुकाबला खेला जाएगा चोला चीफ्स और पृथ्वीराज योद्धास के बीच।
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम दिल्ली। आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग 2025 होने जा रहा है टॉस, और ये टॉस नहीं बल्कि बहुत बड़ा महामुकाबला होगा। वेलकम टू बोथ आर्चर, बोथ कैप्टन्स ब्रेडी एंड अभिषेक। यस, हेड्स कॉल अभिषेक वर्मा।
I will choose the target. Target number 1.
And we'll shoot first.
Oh, Debian, it's hot and sticky, but I tell you what, the archery promises to be absolutely fantastic. They've all had a first run at this. Now they're used to the conditions. I'm getting used to them slowly too.
Oh, it's buzzing with excitement on day 2. This is their squad, but they have the option of a couple of substitutions which they can make at any point of time. So the likes of Chiquita or Pulkit or Tarundeep Rai, the experienced Tarundeep Rai, and Anshika Kumari can also look forward to an experience perhaps at some stage. Gatha Khadke, kal bahut acha unka debut tha. She looked quite faultless in some of her shots, and their options for substitutions include another youngster in Sharvari Shende. They also have Krish Kumar, they have Priyansh, and they also have the young Pranjal Salve as an option if they need to come in. Matthias gets a 9. That leaves the door ajar here for Brady.
Yeah, a 10 here, and they move back into the lead, the Chiefs. Oh, look at that. When it's called upon, the world number 1 delivers.
Plenty of pressure on Gatha. उनको सिर्फ 8 ही मिले हैं, तो मौका यहाँ पे है, बहुत बड़ा मौका है।
एक अच्छा मुकाबला देखने को मिल रहा है आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग 2025।
10 there for Deepika Kumari, edging the Chiefs closer. And that is the time gone for Gatha. She doesn't get to shoot her final arrow. Brady Ellison on the line to finish the job off. And into the 10, a magical performance from the world number 1. The Chola Chiefs dropping just 2 points in that final set, and they have taken this match against the Prithviraj Yodhas by 6 points to 2. An incredible performance from the team in yellow.
हम तैयार हैं आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग के 5वें मुकाबले के लिए। चेरो आर्चर्स, उनके सामने काकतिया नाइट्स। दोनों ही टीम्स अपना पहला मुकाबला हारी थी, लेकिन आज जरूर वापसी करना चाहेंगे दोनों ही टीम्स। बहुत उम्दा आर्चर्स है दोनों में, लेकिन यमुना स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स में इस मुकाबले से सबसे पहले हम तैयार हैं टॉस के लिए दोनों कप्तानों के साथ जल्दी।
दूसरे दिन का दूसरा बड़ा महामुकाबला काकटिया नाइट्स एंड चेरो आर्चर्स। उन दोनों टीमों के कप्तान हमारे साथ में हैं। एक बड़ा मुकाबला आपको देखने को मिलेगा आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग 2025 यमुना स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स में। यस, टॉस टेल्स कॉल टू
First. I want to shoot first, yeah.
Teams look like they're ready to come out.
Purnima Mahato, legendary coach in her own right, leads out the Chero Archers. Matthias Fullerton is having the time of his life. Many of the foreign overseas players are really enjoying themselves here in New Delhi. It's like one big archery family. Everybody's dining together, everybody's moving around together, everybody's also gymming together. So there's a lot of fun going on. And this is what it's all about. It's 11 days essentially of the archery community coming together and just doing everything as much as they can with each other.
For the Kakatiya Knights, they brought in Chawan for Rohit. Rohit not shooting so well last night, so they're giving their other recurve male archer a shout here this evening.
This is Chero Archers. They of course have somebody like Das, and he'll be expected to do much better today. That's a good spot, that, because Neeraj Chauhan is quite experienced. They did try young Rohit Kumar in the last match, but Neeraj Chauhan is 23. He is the Archery Association of India rank 2, so slightly higher rank than his younger compatriot. It's a 10, it's an X. It's a fantastic shot from Atanu Das. He's raised his game as well. Missed a couple of 10s perhaps in that first set, or the second set rather, but this has been much better. 58-52. Canales gets a 9, 61. This looks like it's all in the bag, all but in the bag for the Chero Archers.
It really does, but it's a notable change from the Knights. They've sped up their shooting, and it's another 9 from Katarina, the German, shooting 2 9s in the third set. I think it's going to be enough here. Neeraj shooting again. They have already dropped 5 points, the recurvers, on the buzzer, and that's gone up high into the 6, and that's another 4 points dropped, so 9 dropped here. The match is here for the taking. Otanu.
Yeah, wry smile from their coach Rahul Banerjee. Atanu Das
went into the 4 there,
but it's enough. It's just about enough.
Just about enough for the win.
He's got a sheepish smile as well, but that's enough to get their first points of the Archery Premier League 2025. The pressure getting to Atanu, but he needed to fire that away on time. Only a 4, but because there were some mistakes earlier, इसी का फायदा मिला है आखिरकार, और 71-67 से इस सेट को अपने नाम कर लिया है चेरो आर्चर्स ने, और इसी वजह से 2 और सेट पॉइंट्स उन्हें मिले हैं, और अब 5-1 से ये मैच जीत चुके हैं चेरो आर्चर्स। आज के तीसरे मुकाबले में क्या होगा? माइटी मराठास बनाम राजपूताना रॉयल्स, दोनों अनबीटन अब तक, और एक टीम को तो कम से कम इससे जीतने में सफलता मिलेगी, और इसी वजह से वो टॉप ऑफ द टीम आएंगे। यमुना स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स में दूसरा दिन आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग 2025 का।
गुड इवनिंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग 2025 आज दूसरे दिन का ये अंतिम मुकाबला राजपूताना और माइटी मराठास के बीच में। टीम कैप्टन टॉस के लिए, और ये टॉस तय करेगा कि कौन होगा आज के इस दूसरे दिन के अंतिम मुकाबले का विजेता। एक बड़ा मुकाबला देखने को मिलेगा जब अमन सैनी और स्वाति दुधवाल, मराठास और राजपूताना रॉयल्स की वो टीम होगी टॉस। कॉल हेड्स स्वाति दुधवाल, टेल।
We will shoot first. Yep.
Chaliye, we are ready for this, the third and final match.
And the Marathas won the toss and elected to shoot first. They're thinking this could go all the way to a shoot-off, and they want to shoot first in that shoot-off. Great from Ella, both the compounders on both sides, just dropping a single point here. The difference has come down to the recurves again, as it did through the first set.
Big shot here from Alejandra, and she gets a 9. It just clips or fails to clip that 10 mark. In fact, it's been given as a 10. So just about able to clip that. Ankita gets a 10 as well.
We're on for the biggest score of the APL, the inaugural APL from the Rajputana Royals. They've dropped just 1 point in this fourth set. Nice finish for Dheeraj after the 80 shot, but they dropped 3 points in the recurve team.
8 to win it from Mete Gazos. It will be game, set and match, and that's indeed the case.
Biggest score so far of the APL 2025. The Rajputana Royals shooting a 79 out of 80. And look at the celebrations. Ojas getting lifted high in the air.
It's as good as it gets. They're doing the Bhangra. Ojas Deotale is really enjoying himself, because what a performance this is. 79 out of a possible 80. Just the one miss. But everybody stepping up to the plate. Ella Gibson, Ankita Bhagat, Ojas Deotale. And this was a fabulous performance from them. बहुत बढ़िया प्रदर्शन, और इस मैच को 6-2 से अपने नाम कर लिया है, और लगातार दूसरा मुकाबला जीत चुके हैं राजपूताना रॉयल्स. और वहीं माइटी मराठास थोड़े से निराश होंगे, because they did make a very good fight back, but in that last set, not much you can do when your opponents are firing this way.
They were fantastic, the Rajputana Royals, in that final set. The biggest score so far of the tournament. And look at the dancing from the teams. This is fantastic. Archery has seen nothing like this ever before.
Yes, grown men and women, but they've become like little children at the moment, because this is as much a festival of our friendship and of Indian culture as of archery. And that's visible because there are teams, both teams themselves, both coaches, both sets of coaches having a blast. What a match this was. Mighty Marathas, they didn't shoot too badly. Their lowest set score was 73. On another day, that might have been enough to win this match, but in the end, they lose 6-2 in terms of set points.